Hello everyone, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat and welcome to our YouTube channel. Once again, this is Rofi Lacson and for today's video mga kaibigan, pag-uusapan po natin itong best trading broker for Filipino traders. So we will be discussing a certain broker at isishare ko sa inyo ang information bakit ko na-evaluate and na-conclude that this particular trading platform is the best for Filipino traders. So dito po ako nagtitrade for more than a year now and somehow the experience itself as a beginner and habang natututo ay very advantageous and favorable sa akin and ito yung pag-uusapan natin sa araw na to. At kung bago ka pa lang naka-visit sa ating channel, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, lalong-lalo na if you are interested sa mga content na gaya po nito, which is maaring magbigay sa atin ng dagdag knowledge and empowerment paano pa tayo mas lalong kumita dito sa internet. So, let's proceed! Now, ang pag-uusapan po nating trading broker as best platform for Filipinos, mga kaibigan, is itong XM. And they are doing business and offering trading services since 2009 and right now trusted po ito with over 10 million clients from 190 countries around the world. At kasama na rin po dito ang millions of Filipinos na nagtitiwala at nagtitrade with this XM trading platform. And in terms naman sa kanilang licenses, mga kaibigan, this broker is regulated with different regulatory bodies. Una, itong Australia Securities and Investment Commission. Next, itong from CIPRO Securities and Exchange Commission. They also have license from Belize Financial Services Commission and the Dubai Financial Services Authority, and lastly, itong from South Africa Financial Sector Conduct Authority. Kaya in terms of the questions about the legitimacy of this broker, given to the fact that nagsimula po ito since 2009, kaya more than a decade na po silang pinagkakatiwalaan ng millions of traders, but at the same time, as you can see, makukonclude natin that they are so intentional and serious about giving opportunities and reliable services sa mga Filipino traders dahil right now they are a proud sponsor with the Filipino boxing legend former Senator Manny Pacquiao. So dito sa XM mga kaibigan, pwede po tayo mag-trade ng forex, crypto CFDs, stocks, metals, and many other markets. At mai-execute natin ang anumang trade na ating i-open with the most commonly used trading platforms na MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, including etong XM Web Trader at mobile app. And the best part pa po nito, magkakaroon ka ng personal account managers, and in line with trading tools, XM offers free access to forex market research, free access to daily forex webinars, and in terms of trading education, magkakaroon tayo ng unlimited access to video tutorials, daily access to forex trading signals, and 10 platform to choose from na available in any device na ginagamit natin. Meron din pong free daily technical analysis, daily forex market outlook, and more importantly, etong 24/7 live help na pwede po nating kontakin anytime itong kanilang customer support. Kaya either you are a beginner or an experienced trader, kaibigan, ang XM ay pwedeng makapagbigay sa atin ng napaka-advantageous at favorable trading services the moment dito po tayo nagtitrade. At kung wala ka pang trading account with XM, may link po sa description ng video natin ngayon, kaibigan, gaya po nito. And you can simply click it at dito ka i-route mismo sa homepage na to, the promotion. At ang good news ngayon ay pwede kang magkaroon ng 100% deposit bonus up to $500. Meaning po nito, pag nagsimula ka na mag-trade at mag-invest ng iyong puhunan, halimbawa $100, ay magkakaroon ka ng dagdag 100% bonus, and that's $100 din na pwede mong ipang-trade. And that's up to $500 limit. And after that, meron ka pang dagdag ulit na 20% deposit bonus up to $10,000. So for you to register and create your account, pwede mo lang din i-click ang open an account here button dito and etong open an account din dito. At ang kagandahan pa dito, bukod sa standard account ng XM, available din po itong ultra low account na merong zero swaps, zero commission, and more importantly mga kaibigan, itong napakababang spreads on major pairs for as low as 0.6 pips. Alright? On top of every valuable features ng XM as a broker mga kaibigan, ang pinaka nagugustuhan ko po dito is itong kanilang copy trading. Bakit? Copy trading platform gives us an opportunity na kahit sobrang busy natin at wala tayong oras, ay pwede po tayong kumita ng passive income. Paano po yun? Ma-align natin yan with this idea. Trade like an expert in no time at all. Ibig sabihin, kahit wala ka pang experience sa trading, ay pwede kang mag-engage at most likely magiging profitable by just copying ng mga expert trader na nag-o-offer ng mga strategies na pwede nating ikopya. The moment magiging profitable yung trades nila, kikita din po tayo. At pwede mo itong simulan ngayon with just 3 simple steps. Una, create and verify your account. Next, sign up as an investor or strategy manager. Talking about strategy manager, kung ikaw po itong experienced trader na pwedeng mag-offer ng strategy na ipapakopya sa mga copier trader. And the final step, of course, number 3 is follow successful strategies. To get started at mag-register sa XM Copy Trading, may link po kaibigan sa description ng video natin. You can simply click it and dito ka iraroute sa homepage na makikita natin sa screen. And if you are using your mobile phone, wala po namang problema dahil most likely pare-pareho lang naman po yung proseso. And to sign up or open your account, you can simply click this open an account button dito or with nitong start copy trading button na nandito. Ilagay mo lang yung email and create your own password and click agree to receive company updates and then register. And next mong gagawin nito mga kaibigan, go to your email and i-verify mo ito and then you can proceed to the final step, the account verification process. At ang pinaka-requirement lang po is proof of identity, which is our valid IDs like driver's license, passport, national IDs, and among others. At saka proof of address na pwede nating gamitin ang mga bill ng kuryente, internet, bank statement, at marami pa pong iba. So tuloy mo lang i-proceed ang registration process and then you log in your verified trading account. So ito po yung online account natin with XM. And to access the copy trading mga kaibigan, click lang po natin itong copy trading button na nandito. Ayan, explore mo lang ang platform na to. And if you are a total beginner sa copy trading, maglalagay po ako ng link sa description ng video na to mga kaibigan, a detailed video tutorial about this XM copy trading. And finally, last but not the least mga kaibigan, is itong trading tools and education. Napaka-importante po nito, lalong-lalo na if we are intentional to keep on learning and growing upang magiging profitable tayo as a trader. So as you can see, maraming mga tools na nandito. The market overview, XM research, trade ideas, technical summaries, economic calendar, and among others. And more importantly, in terms of traders education, itong kanilang learning center. Andito po yung mga educational videos, webinars, offline seminars, schedules, most especially itong Filipino Advance Room na nakadedicate exclusively sa mga Filipino traders na seryosong magiging profitable sa industry na to. And that's why that leads me into an obvious conclusion that XM as a broker is really and indeed best for Filipino traders. So I think that's all lang po muna for today mga kaibigan. I hope this video ay nakapagbigay sa atin ng dagdag information that somehow magbibigay sa atin ng kahit konting guidance paano tayo pumili ng matino or the best na broker for us as a Filipino trader. So thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is Rofi Lacson and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. and good luck with your trading journey.